Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of the Pop Culture Cafe. I am Huck. Now, before we jump into today's episode, I have something here. I want you to read this thing. It says Sideshow, right? Now, if you're a super nerd like me, we all know who Sideshow is. I do not know what's in this box. I have a very amazing fan out there, and I'm going to give her a shout out. It is my absolutely lovely, adorable niece, Amber. She was the first one to like my brand new page on Facebook. So, she's been watching. Atta girl, making me proud. And I said something in one of the episodes, which was something to the effect of, I keep using my fingernail to pop open the side of the Blu-rays. I said, man, I gotta stop wrecking my fingernail, man. I gotta get something like a Klingon batleth or something that they used to sell on ThinkGeek to open letters. Now, that's all I know. That's all I said. I don't even know if that's has anything to do with this. But she said something to the effect that you have trouble opening stuff. So, Amber, here we go. We are going to carve into this box right here and find out what is inside. Okay, so we've now made the slices, and you're all going to find out at the same time as me. All right, you ready? Hope the camera doesn't go out. Here we go. What is it? Oh, no way! It is the Klingon dagger! Girl, you scored major brownie points. Oh, yeah. Let's check this out. Look at that. Star Trek. I'm going to pop it right out, show you guys. It is the Klingon letter opener. All right, all you people fluent in Klingonese, how do you say that? Oh, this is amazing. Seriously, it's the Klingon dagger letter opener that I'm now going to use to open every new Blu-ray, 4K, DVD, etc., etc., etc. Now, before we get started, I just want you to know, the girl knows me. Right? I just happened to choose a Star Trek shirt to wear in the thought that she possibly got me something of Star Trek persuasion. And by cracky, she did not let me down. Live long and prosper, and let's get going. Let's just bust into this thing right now, shall we? Gonna use my old school slicer. This is not some sort of funky collectible that I'm going to let sit in this box and never get used. No way, Jose. It's coming out right now. Whoa! All right, there it is. This thing is gorgeous. This thing is absolutely cool, guys. Just make this the video. Look at this. I'm going to use my face as the backdrop so you can really see it. Look at this sucker. What? Oh my God, the detail, so good. Oh, that's a thing of beauty, y'all. Now I gotta go find a Blu-ray to open. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, couldn't resist. Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, I found a couple of titles. I just did a quick run to Big Lots, so let's check that out real fast, and then we'll come back and open those suckers, all right? Let's go see what we found. All right, Big Lots, don't let me down. All right, here we go. Flipping through the usual old Seagal title. All right, typical titles, not saying anything new, well, except this right here. Well, Good, Bad, and the Ugly, Clint Eastwood classic. World War Z. Yeah, seen a lot of these. Tomb Raider. Okay, nothing spectacularly new there. One more row here. The huge, bring it on, Salt. Okay, not a lot of new fresh stuff here. And of course, Shallows. Every time I come in here, this movie just staring me in the face. Nights of Glory. Moving on. Check out some DVD. Oh, look at this. Check it out. All the Money in the World, Ridley Scott film. He always makes great movies. I haven't seen this yet, but of course it stars the late, great Christopher Plummer. Amazing as Chang in Star Trek VI. And just recently I saw him in Knives Out. He was amazing in that. Have to check that out at some point. And one last look at the TV section. I did this for you guys in an earlier video. It's a lot of the same titles, so nothing new there. I'm not going to paw through them, so let's get out of here. Welcome back, puny humans, to the Pop Culture Cafe. I am Huck. Kapla. Look at this bad boy. I can't get over it, man. That is beautiful. And today's iced tea glass is Captain James Tiberius Kirk of the Starship Enterprise. I can think of no other perfect glass to chug some tea out of, thanks to my lovely niece sending me this Klingon letter opener. No letter opener. We're just going to call this our movie opener. You know why? I don't get a lot of letters, but I do get a lot of movies, so excellent. All right, let's get to work, shall we? Let's find those movies I just got. First, I'm going to start with the one title that always stared me in the face every single time I went there, but this time it stares no more, because I got it. There we go. You've seen The Shallows with Blake Lively. This is an amazing shark attack type movie. It's really good. But the important thing is, how good does this get open? So let's do it. Wait, let me find the spot. Oh yeah, it's working pretty good, man. Look at that. Crack that seal, man. Look at that. Didn't even have to use my fingernail. This is a fingernailless opener. Boom. Done. And number 2, this was the only copy in the store, and I snagged it based on the bonus features alone, and that is The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. This is not only a dope Clint Eastwood movie, but check this out. You get an audio commentary, but it's by a film historian. It's basically 2 commentaries by 2 historians. We also have Leone's West, making of a documentary. The Leone Style on Sergio Leone, a featurette. The Man Who Lost the Civil War documentary. Reconstructing the Good, the Bad, and the Ugly featurette. Deleted scenes, and this is the main one I got this for. Il Maestro Ennio Morricone, and The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly featurette on the composer himself. And a theatrical trailer. So if you just love filmmaking, I mean, this was Clint back in his heyday when he first got started. So I really wanted to check out those bonus features, but now, shing, kapla! I get to check these out, use my Klingon knife. Oh man, look at that, was butter smooth, man. Just bust. Son, I'm telling you, I got myself a new movie opener. Oh yeah. Look at that, that is good stuff. Pretty stripped inside, nothing special, but that don't matter. That don't matter. All right, so here we go. 2 new titles right here. We got The Shallows and The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Both opened exquisitely with this new Klingon movie opener. Not letter opener, movie opener. Butter smooth, baby. I'm just going to run around the house now and start opening stuff with my new Klingon opener. That's right. So, until next time, human, kapla, and catch you later.